The Pacific Casual BBQ Grill Gazebo was sold at Orchard Supply Hardware, Myers, and other retailers. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 5BGZ8217 or 5KGZ8217. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 6 by 5 and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round frame posts, bar tables at each side of gazebo, arched frame design with vertical bars around top perimeter of frame. The canopy attaches by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Pacific Casual BBQ Grill Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.